So our next leg is from Bicol region to Socsargen, saying goodbye to Mount Mayon. So we are here at Terminal 2, going towards our plane ride, and of course via Cebu Pacific for our domestic flights. Siyempre mga chikiting masaya pag nasa window seat. Just arrived in General Santos City, of course directly to Avi's restaurant. So dito sa Abi's restaurant, very affordable and of course very tasty ang kanilang luto. So yung nakikita natin dyan, kailangan nyo lang po piliin ang gusto nyong paluto. So seafoods, barbecue, pork, so of course mga seaweeds. So you need to request kung anong gusto nyong paluto at they will cook it for you. And of course, we are a bit late to come over dito sa Abi's. So punuan na at medyo late na rin ang aming ordering, but we're still happy to wait. It's time to catch up with relatives, cousins, and nephews. And of course, aside from that, the following day, we went to Marbel and ang aking kasabayan mag-drive kung saan kami nag-rent ng van. Of course, he wants to taste yung apan-apan or grasshopper. So, ito yung daan papuntang Marbel or what we call na Coronel City. And syempre, pag fruit basket ng Mindanao or Socsargen, syempre kahit saan may food stand. So it's our obligation to drop in and have a look kung ano pwedeng mabili to help out the locals. So ang in-laws ko dito, it's their first time to be here. Syempre I still need to introduce some of their fruits na binibenta dito na wala dun sa kanila, and one of these is marang.
Yan yung buto. Yan. Yan. Oh.
Parang langka ito eh.
No, tikman mo dad. Tamis yan. Di ba? Sarap. Oh.
So fruits here, fruits there, and everywhere. Siyempre hindi rin pa rin makalimutan ang sweet corn. So, binisita din namin ng mga pinsan at syempre mga friends. Thank you very much sa Chicagoy for lunch at syempre ang aming farm. So, this was taken sometime March. They are tilling the land, of course, extra irrigation, and now it's ready for harvest. So, I flew my drone over the rice field para makita kung ano talaga siya kaganda, and of course, very green. During the time it's a bit windy, kaya maganda yan siya if you're really there up close and personal. But some of these rice fields are already in yellow, so I think in 2 weeks time they're ready for harvesting. So lahat yan nakapalibot dyan, rice fields. Of course, yan talaga ever since when I was kid, rice fields talaga karamihan dyan. Kaya maganda tingnan, lalo na pag malapit na i-harvest. And syempre, kaya ko na-appreciate masyado yung shot ng mga ganito. Kasi syempre, it's a different thing if you see yung farm nyo from above, like a bird's eye view. Siyempre, may memories dapat sa farms with our tenants and of course as family dyan sa aming rice field. Now we're back to our ancestral home in General Santos City. So, bird's eye view from the front end to the back end of the lot. Siyempre, di pwedeng walang pictures sa mga cousins, reuniting with each other, and of course, us as siblings. Siyempre, if you're in the province o sa probinsya, siyempre, masarap bumisita ng mga farm. So, another bird's eye view of one of our ancestral farms here in Socsargen. It was a bit late na during that time that I was in a hurry to fly the drone, but it still really looks good from above. Siyempre, after farm visit, siyempre kailangan din tumambay paminsan-minsan sa Starbucks. At siyempre, hindi nakakalimutan ng mga bata ang Jollibee. And of course, it's nice seeing my favorite bus line when I was a kid. Traveling from Jansan to Coronadal City or Jansan to Davao City, vice versa. Thank you, affordable fans based in Alabel, and of course, on to our next vacation. Bye for now.